Hi, in this lecture I'll show you how to calculate installment amounts on a loan using Microsoft Excel. It is quite common that individuals and institutions or companies borrow loan from banks and non-banking financial companies, and the borrower promised to pay that in a given time period, that may be a 5-year or a 10-year. They will repay the loan amount along with the interest amount in installments. Now it is important for both the borrower as well as the lender to know how much amount to be paid or collected as installment during each time period. So suppose an individual borrows 1 lakh personal loan from a bank and wish to pay an installment of on every month. So how much amount to be paid as an installment amount, so that by the end of the 3-year period, let us say loan is borrowed for a 3-year period, end of the 3-year period, the individual pays the principal amount as well as the loan amount. In these scenarios, you need to calculate the installment amount. Calculating the installment amount using a formula approach is that you need to divide the loan amount by present value of annuity factor. But it is easy to calculate a payment, that is a loan installment, in Microsoft Excel. Now I demonstrate that for you. Here is an example. You borrowed $100,000 for a period of 10 years. So here it is a 10 yearly installments. You promise to repay this, and then the bank charges an annual rate of 9.25%, that is 0.0925. So what should be your yearly payment or your yearly installment, so that in a 10 years you will repay the principal amount of 100,000 plus 9.25% of interest compounded yearly. So to calculate the payment, use Excel function equal to PMT. PMT is for calculating of a payment or installment. So select this one. Then your rate of interest, here is the annual rate of interest. Select this, place a comma. The number of periods, how many years you are borrowing this loan, 10 years. Select this one, place a comma, and your PV, that is a present value. Select the present value of the loan, close the bracket, press enter key. So 15,753.89 is a payment per year. In another scenario, assume that you borrowed the same loan of 100,000 and your periods, instead of 10 years, you wish to pay this loan in monthly installments of 5 years, that is 5 into 12, 60 months, and the rate of interest is this. Now here in this case your PMT will be equal to payment, your rate, so this is the annual rate, this upon 12, you will get a monthly compounding rate. The number of periods, 60 payments, that is a 5 years and 12 months. Then place a comma here and your present value, that is a borrowed loan. Close the bracket, enter key. So that means you have to pay $2,087.99 per month to repay this loan in 5 years on a monthly payments. So this is how you can calculate the payment or installment amount using Excel payment function. Thank you.